Welcome to another Engel Völkers video tour. We are here today in Lomas de la Quinta to see a magnificent villa with a magnificent view to match. Let's go and have a look. Villa Magna is located in a small community which is gated. It's called Lomas de la Quinta. It's in the heart of La Quinta. We've got the Gulf Valley, we have restaurants close by, international schools, plenty to do, but also being nice and quiet in this environment. Sits on a double elevated plot. The size is just under 2,000 square meters and the build is just under 900. In the main house there are 6 bedrooms on 3 levels, all with ensuite bathrooms. But another point of this house is a totally separate apartment with its own bedroom, kitchen and entrance. I love this kitchen. It's got so much cupboard space, keeps everything nice and tidy while you're working. There's 3 ovens, there's 2 dishwashers, but really you need this because the entertainment areas hold 12 people seated in 3 different places. So here we are in the master suite. We've got a walk-in wardrobe, a jacuzzi bathroom, and also a kitchenette, which is fantastic because you can make your first cup of coffee in the morning and enjoy it on your own terrace outside. Now, every bedroom has its own terrace, which makes it fantastic for rental potential. So the fun part of the house, we're on the ground level, we're in the cinema room with all the high-tech sound quality that you would expect. Now if you want to have a nice glass of wine with your movie, don't look any further because here is the bodega. So if you want to have some more fun, then come with me. In the spa, there is a fully equipped gym, so you can enjoy your workout and then afterwards come in here and enjoy the ultimate relaxing experience the whole year long. Thank you for watching this video today. If you'd like any further information, just click on the link below, but also don't forget to subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed this villa by day, you really need to see it by night.